Hello Team Desha. Today I want to show you how you guys can update your drivers without going through so much and many hassles. So what you want to do is open your browser. I'm using Chrome and you want to visit this website right there. I'll give you the link in the description right there. Now we are going to get this driver easy tool. It's going to make everything a whole lot easier. You're going to click download there and wait a minute, and after you've downloaded it and you're going to install, after you install it right there, so I've already downloaded it, so boom, after that you open it and you're going to install it. Right, you're going to choose your what not you're going to follow instructions, but because I've done this for a pre-run, obviously I'm not going to do it again. So you open it after you're done, and yes, it does consume a lot of resources, but I think it's worth it. You can just simply install it and uninstall it when you're done. You don't have to have it all the time unless if you want to and if your machine can handle it. Mine struggles a bit, so I'll probably uninstall it and install it when I need it again. However, the advantage comes when you have a pro version of the software. It makes it even a whole lot easier. It removes all the limitations that comes with the speed and what. And yeah, so you see what I mean by it takes time. Mine takes a long time to load, but anyway, it's up. So there you go. What you want to do is you're going to go, it says scan, and you're going to say scan now, and you're going to wait for it to finish scanning. And after it has scanned, let's see, just to show you guys that I'm using a pro version that we figured out how to obtain in the last video. Okay, let it finish, and it's done. Right there, it's done. Just to show you that I'm using a pro version. See, I've got 34,600 days left for that professional one. So what you are going to do is, for all these, you're going to just say, you have so many options like this, but you're just going to say update the ones that you need. So you're going to say update. You just have to update everything you want to update, guys. Like, you never finish these whole drivers. Like, come on, look at all these drivers, then the rest are up to date. And when you're done, I guess that's it. You need, so you just say continue, then yes, and you're done. And there is really no need for you to be hustling so much, but otherwise you'll be done. Okay, rocket, whatever happened there, that's a Samsung. What? Samsung mobile USB. That's because my phone is connected. That's why. Otherwise, if you want to update all, you just click here where it says update all. And so I don't want to update all, so I'm just going to say cancel. Then okay. Otherwise, yeah, that's how you update your drivers, guys. See you in the next tutorial or video. Ciao, ciao.